Good morning. Our Bible reading for today is found in John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have an everlasting life. Our topic for today is the love of God. So the question, what is the love of God? Number one, the love of God is universal because it says, for God so loved the world. Second, the love of God is evidential. It says, and he gave his only begotten Son, Jesus Christ. The third, the love of God is eternal. Whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have an everlasting life. So the question, how can we experience the love of God? The Bible says we need to believe. Whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have an everlasting life. Thank you so much for your listening. May the Lord bless the reading of his gospel. Thank you so much. God bless you. Shalom.